Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you how to save hundreds and thousands on lenses for your Fujica Single 8 ZC1000. Okay, here I've got a Industar 52 millimeter. Let's see here, it is the 61. That's the one it is, right there. And this is an odd one. It really is, but I really enjoy it. And when you get one, they may seem kind of clunky as well, but that is a trait of an Industar. Okay? They seem to kind of clunky and move around a bit. But I enjoy this piece of glass. You can get from this M39 mount, those of you who frequent my channel, use an M30 from the M39 mount, use an M39 to M42 ring, and we just simply screw that right on. Let me make sure first I have the spanner parts right here set in there correctly. Where are they, the spanner holes? There they are. And here's the M42 to C mount right there. So I'm going to put these two together. That's what I'm going to do and make it a bit easier. Just screw these together. That's all you do. The little spanner holes are right here. Okay. I can grab them with my thumb and fingernail. There you go. And from there on, you just attach them just like so. Get that screw thread in there. There we go. That seems to be it. The next thing is, to those of you who do not own a Fujica Single 8 ZC1000, the great thing about it is it has interchangeable lenses, interchangeable glass. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see here, let's go ahead and take this thing right off from the position that I'm sitting at. There we go. It is the functionality, there we go, I love about this camera, and the interchangeable lenses, just like any other filmmaker who uses these. Now, put these off to the side, and you'll simply take this and attach it onto the front body of the camera. This is a cheaper adapter. There are more expensive ones you can get if you like. And there you go. That's it. Okay. Now, let's see if we can show you how good it looks through the viewfinder. Okay, here's a very, very close-up shot of my film editor. There you go. So the reel. So you see what I mean. So there we have it. The shot I got from the viewer is about 2.5 to 3 feet. And anything beyond that, you're going to get a hazy, dreamy sequence type of shot. So it's good for that. Any type of dream sequence. I love the lens. It serves me well. All right? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen. And remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.